Alrighty, hello, welcome, one and all. I am, of course, your host, Oz of the Stony Point Show, or Zone, whichever you prefer. Today, we are doing today we are doing the Tale of Two Wastelands mod for uh, Fallout 3 in New Vegas. But we're also doing the Begin Again mod pack or mod list, whichever one is the proper term. So we are gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get it booted up, and we will be right in.
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just
Classic.
want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart, I have but one desire. And that one is you. No other will do.
Honestly, one of my favorite game series of all time, right here.
I've
Beautiful.
lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just want to be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of. Believe me, I don't want to set the world on fire.
Presents Fallout 3. The greenest game to ever green.
War. War never changes. Since the dawn of humankind, when our ancestors first discovered the killing power of rock and bone, blood has been spilled in the name of everything from God to justice to simple psychotic rage.
Ah, damn it. I took a gamble. I wanted to turn on subtitles. I took a gamble. Cool. Oh, we pop. Quick. Shit. Settings, display, brightness. You're good. Oh, where are you? Oh, they're already on. Okay, so well, I did all this for nothing.
Let's see. Are you a boy or a girl?
Mm-hmm.
It's a boy. A boy! We've got a son, Catherine. A beautiful, healthy baby boy.
Oh, Oh, James. We did it. A son. A beautiful son.
You've got a bright future ahead of you, son. I'm sure of it. Look at you. Look at you. Hi there. I'm your daddy, little guy. Daddy. You're going to need a name, aren't you? Your mother and I have been talking. What do you think about...
Here's the real decision. Do we go with... yeah, we'll just do Oz.
That's a good name, don't you think? Fits you perfectly. Looks like they've finished the gene projection. Let's see what you'll look like when you're all grown up.
Alright, so... let's try... Excuse me. So, male, yes. Race, Caucasian, yes. Let's look through some of the presets. Okay. That wouldn't be a bad start. Aw. Eh. Nah. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Nope. Nah. Nope. 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 I don't know what it is. But, well, I like the look of you. But, feel like... nah. Do you... let's give him green eyes. And let's give a bit darker eye sockets. Yeah, and hair. I actually quite like Vegas. Yeah. Backwater. Call it. That doesn't look bad. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
You're going to look a lot like your dad.
Not.
See that, Catherine?
Oh. Oh. Very strapping.
It's a big world out there, son. Full of all sorts of people. What about you? What kind of person are you going to be? You're just
James?
Catherine?
James?
Catherine! She's in cardiac arrest. Start compression. Get the baby out of here. Move! Move! 1,000. 2, 1,000. Come on. Hang on, Catherine. Hang on. Okay?
We need a doctor, not a deadbeat. Fail to meet my expectations and there will be
Don't look straight into the light.
James and his cheerly chatter. May your future is bright for his
This place will feel just like home. Come on over here, son. Come on. Walk to Daddy.
Goo goo gaga. I want
Over here.
milk. Hey,
There
Papa.
you go. My goodness, just a year old and
Welcome to
already
Run and Walk
walking like a
Festival.
pro. Your mother would have been so proud. Listen, kiddo, I know you don't like it when Daddy leaves you alone, but I need you to take care of yourself for a minute. You just stay here while Daddy runs to his office. You'll be okay, pal. I'll be back in a bit.
Man. Fuck this. Give me my teddy. Give me my teddy. Alright. Okay. Activate the user special. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna drop strength to about a 4. Perception's good out of 5. Charisma, we can bump you down to 4. Intelligence will bump you up. Luck will bump you up. Let's do... Well, actually, yeah, bump you up and then... Yeah. I think... yeah, it's a fairly balanced build, but... yeah. Well... We go for a science energy weapons build, I guess. If that makes any sense. Give me just a moment.
You are quite the little explorer, aren't you? Serves me right for trying to pin you in. Come on over here. I want to show you something. See that? It was your mother's favorite passage. It's from the Bible. Revelation 21:6.
That's not the Bible.
I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give unto him that is athirst of the fountain of the water of life freely. She always loved that. All right, come on. Let's go see if your little friend Amada wants to play.
Yippee! Amada's cool. I like Amada. Well, actually, no, I'm a baby. Cuckoo gaga.
These experiments
Don't
are
be a
a
damn
waste
fool. We experiment to prepare. We prepare to survive.
Of course, I miss her.
Stanley, you turned the lights on too fast. You blinded the poor kid. Happy birthday.
Can you believe it? He is growing up so fast.
Happy birthday, pal. I can't believe you're already 10. I'm so proud of you. If only your mother...
Congratulations, young man. I don't have to tell you how special this day is, do I? Down here in Vault 101, when you turn 10, well, you're ready to take on your first official Vault responsibilities. So here you are. As Overseer, I hereby present to you your very own Pip-Boy 3000. Get used to it. You'll be getting your first work assignment tomorrow.
Enjoy your party. You're only 10 once, so have fun.
Okay.
Happy birthday! We really surprised you, didn't we? Your dad was afraid you were onto us. But I told him not to worry. You're so easy to fool.
You fool me, I just pretended
You're
to
such a
know.
liar. Okay, if you're so smart, what did I get you for your birthday?
A day with Christine Kendall?
Gross! I didn't think you even liked girls. And
Oh,
you know
wait,
what I
what?
mean, before you say something rude about me. I guess maybe I should give this to someone else. Someone who likes Grognak the Barbarian better than me and Christine. The question is, how could you tell the difference?
Okay.
Enjoy. Happy birthday, Sonny.
I like you, Officer Gomez.
Enjoying yourself?
Sure. Hi, old lady Palmer.
Are you having a nice party? 10 years old. My. Seems like only yesterday that your daddy came. Goodness, listen to me ramble. You're waiting for your present, aren't you?
Oh, you don't have to bring me a present, Miss Palmer.
Fiddlesticks. What 10-year-old doesn't like presents? I was 10 once, believe it or not. My goodness, the vault was practically crowded back then. Not like today. So few young people now. But here I am rambling on again, and you listening so politely. Here you go. A nice sweet roll that I baked for you just this morning. And
Those for
it's
me?
all for you. No sharing required today.
Oh, Willow?
Attention,
No
everyone! It's time to cut the cake!
Andy, wait!
Hold on, wait, I gotta put on my kid's party hat. My kid's party hat.
Oh no!
Allow me to wish you a happy birthday.
Daddy, I
I
told you not to
would
act
offer you
all
a piece of
official.
cake,
I know you were joking, but I'm not sure anyone else did.
Nonsense.
I'm hungry, and that stupid robot destroyed the cake. Give me that sweet roll you got from Old Lady Palmer.
Well, but Miss Palmer said I didn't have to share since it's my birthday.
Mrs. Palmer said I didn't have to share. Who's talking about sharing, moron? I want the whole thing. Now, are you gonna give me that sweet roll, or am I gonna have to give you a knuckle sandwich?
You know what? Sure, Butch. Here you go.
Ugh, I don't want your nerd cooties. You're gonna be sorry you did that. We'll see how tough you are later when the grown-ups aren't around.
People
Come on,
always
Wally.
enjoy
You
my
always
little
have good
speeches.
ideas.
Besides, that friend of
Yeah,
yours could use a
I got
reminder
one.
that life is
The
not all
Meckers.
fun and games.
Super cool, right?
Jeez, Wally.
Hey, thanks for inviting me. Really cool party and everything. I know that, Butch and I give you a hard time, but you don't take that seriously, right? Anyway, happy birthday and everything. I better get back to, you know.
This is
What, are you
supposed to
two
be a
best
party,
friends
you
Aw,
know?
Paul.
Huh?
Poor Paul.
I think
You
Paul's
should try
got
it sometime,
sometimes.
Daddy. You might like
Yeah,
it.
So,
Paul.
which
Why don't you introduce us
Who are
to your
you?
new best friend?
Susie
Butch
Mac?
is such
Oh,
an idiot. Just ignore him.
don't worry about me. I'm not scared of him.
I know. He thinks he's so tough. One of these days, we'll figure out a way to get him back, okay?
Fred.
Nice
Yeah, for
party.
sure.
Dork face here?
Hi,
Happy
Christine
birthday,
Kendall.
dork
Nice
face.
party.
Thank
Do
you.
you think we
Hi,
surprised him?
Susie Mac.
Happy birthday!
I'm sure that Amanda
Thank you.
never suspected a thing. Now go on and enjoy yourself.
Hey, Stanley.
How do you like that Pip-Boy, son? Fit all right and everything?
Yeah, fits really good. Did you fix it up for me?
As a matter of fact, I did. I'm glad you like it. Some may think the A series is a bit basic, but I've always preferred them for their reliability.
Thanks, Stanley.
Don't mention it. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Happy birthday. Not much, but I hope you like it.
Oh, what the Pip-Boy was, but oh,
Shows how
okay.
smart you
Well,
are, Wally. What
I
should we
know
call
you were
ourselves?
busy
Oh, a new hat.
with the water purifier.
I got a
How
new
about
hat.
everything's fine, I hope.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure, nothing to
I
worry
like
about. Me and
that.
Andy got her all.
Well, at least it doesn't have your name in it somewhere, which makes it
How
better
are you
than any of
enjoying
your
the
other
party,
ideas.
Mrs. Palmer? I help with the decorations, you know.
Oh, really? They're lovely. You did such a splendid job.
Jonas?
Hey, Doc. We're all set down here.
I hope you appreciate the effort Amata put into this party. She really seems to like you, for some reason.
Well, I'm a really charming guy.
Don't presume too much on her friendship, young man. I'm still the overseer, and I'm still in charge of this vault and everyone in it.
And
Hello,
Thanks.
Officer
I'll
Gomez.
send him right
I'm
down.
glad you could make it.
I don't know what
I'm glad
that's supposed to
Hey,
mean.
that was Jonas on the intercom. He and I have been cooking up a little surprise present. Jonas is waiting for you downstairs on the reactor level. Go ahead. I don't think anyone will mind if you slip out for a few minutes.
Be here.
Okay,
I think it's
I'm
important
gonna-
to keep in touch with the young people,
Amata.
you know.
Isn't this great?
It's part of
Show
my
us how
job.
smart
Plus,
you are,
well,
Wally. What
I
should
like
we call
parties.
ourselves?
Okay, well,
Sure thing,
You're so
Officer
smart. Happy birthday, dearie. My goodness, I hope I didn't miss the party.
yo, my dad and Amata threw me a great party, didn't
They
they?
sure did. My. 10 years old already? Why, I can remember helping your dad change your diapers.
You don't
And
have
now
to talk
look
about
at you, a great big grown-up 10-year-old with your very own Pip-Boy. Since this was such a special occasion, do you know what I did? I wrote you a poem just for you. I hope you like it.
that. Thanks. I guess. Did you give me anything else?
Don't be silly. One poem per birthday, that's my rule. If I gave you two, think how jealous Butch would be.
Gomez?
You know what?
It's been nice
That's
chatting
actually
with you.
pretty sound logic. Let me check this poem out. It's actually quite pleasant. Gray walls, impenetrable steel, suffocation, condemnation. Little hands groping in subterranean uncertainty. Mommy, Daddy, am I dead? Nay, nay! Reborn into purifying fluorescence. A face emerges, strong and male. Father to me, father to all. Overseeing our lives, our eternity.
Tech shelter failing. R 1,763,497 to 1.
Okay. Oversee our lives, our eternities, harshness of discipline, harshness of love, obedience, my savior. Larva to pupa, pupa to worker, buzz, buzz, one with the steel honeycomb, 10 lies within the 101, significant at last, till gray seeps from walls to hair to soul. In eternal slumber, the sweet sleep of incineration. Some really free flow poetry. Anyways,
Shut up and let me think a minute. So, what do you think we should call
I
our
guess
band?
I should run down. Jonas, my goat.
What are you doing down here, young man? I thought kids weren't allowed down on the reactor level.
I'm not a kid, I'm 10 years old.
You sure are. Pip-Boy and everything. Look at that. If you can wait just one more minute, I think your dad will want to give you the surprise himself.
And I honestly fuck with Jonas heavy.
Are you ready for your surprise?
Kind of
The
surprised.
overseer gave you your Pip-Boy, and you're old enough to do some work, so I figure you're old enough for this. Your own Jonas found it down here. It was in pretty rough shape. Took us a good 3 months to find the parts to get it working again. You know how tough it is to find a spring that small? Good thing Butch misplaced that switchblade of his. So, what do you think? Want to give it a try?
I can't shoot a gun in here.
We sure can't, unless we want the overseer beating down our door. Jonas and I have found a place, though. Come on.
Let me just... Okay, I already have it equipped. So I know that this mod pack does include a zoom in feature, however...
Well, what do you think? You can come down here and shoot anytime you want.
Thanks,
You're welcome,
Dad.
pal.
Yeah, the zoom in feature doesn't really help much when it comes to the BB gun. So we're just gonna try and... Yeah. Just try and hip fire this shit.
Think you can take care of that with your
Oh.
BB gun? Just aim and shoot. You'll be fine.
Actually, I wonder, can I have acid? No. Q. There it is. Beautiful.
Good work. That's one less round roads to deal with. Let's get a picture together. Capture the moment. Hey, Jonas, get a picture of me with the big game hunter.
Smile.
Boys and girls have different parts, right?
Anyway, so I'm the overseer's daughter, so what? Like, I get any kind of special treatment.
Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. As far as I can tell, you're a perfectly healthy 16-year-old boy. So yes, you have to go to class to take your GOAT exam.
Okay. Okay, definitely want to go with Wild Wasteland for sure. That's not a bad option. Yeah, let's go with skilled. Oh, I can do 3 trades. Okay. Let's go ahead and do Hoarder then. Yeah.
Go on now. You've got a GOAT to take. Take
Hi,
care, son.
Dad.
I got out of here, and good luck.
Description on the base reads, the smart man knows a bandage only hides his wounds. You are now 10% less likely to become addicted to chems. Perfect. Hey, Jonas.
Good morning. Stopped in to see the old man before class. Hey, 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 sport. It's been a while since you stopped in here to see us. It's the big goat day today, right?
Morning, Jonas.
Morning, Doc. How's things?
Have you had a chance to look over these results?
I was just going over them. Something you're worried about?
Syringe.
I'd just like to keep an eye on it.
No problem. I'll have my report ready this afternoon.
Get out of my way, you
Sounds
stupid
good.
tunnel snakes!
Let me know if there are any changes.
I can show you a real tunnel snake, Amata.
God, Butch, why don't you just leave me alone?
What are you gonna do, Amata?
Daddy's girl,
Go run and tell
daddy.
Tunnel snakes rule.
Wish I had something
Can't
better to
think
do.
of anything. Butch says this little bitch is blabbing to her daddy about us tunnel snakes. We can't have that. Because we're the tunnel snakes, and we rule.
Yeah, I got that. But why are you picking on Amata?
None of your business. Because Butch said so. And what tunnel snakes?
Why you listen to Butch?
Because he's my pal. My brother. All us tunnel snakes are brothers. Birth to earth, womb to tomb. Mostly because tunnel snakes rule.
Okay, yeah, I get that, but whatever. Later,
Much
Paul.
later. Tunnel snakes rule.
Sure, whatever.
Don't mess with the tunnel snakes.
You have a problem with
Stay
Amata?
out of this. It's tunnel snake business. Me and Butch were just having some fun with this chick.
I get it. Butch is a leader. You're just a follower.
I don't follow anyone. Wally Mack is his own man, and the tunnel snakes is where I belong. Why? You think Butch is in charge? Is that what people are saying? Because it's a load of shit if that's what they're saying.
I've heard you do anything he tells you. And I mean anything.
What? What kind of shit is that? No one talks that way about Wally Mack. He's not the boss of me. Nobody's the boss of me. I'm out of here.
Help!
We're done here.
Done.
Stupid tunnel snakes! Why won't they leave me alone? Can you talk to them? Maybe Butch will listen to you. Please?
Let's see if I can talk some
Thanks.
sense into them.
You've always been a good friend.
Hey, Stanley.
We're not
Sorry
done.
to keep you waiting.
I
What
say
seems
when
to be
we're
the trouble
done.
today?
I don't
Hey,
know who put you in charge. I say we're done. Let's go, Paul.
Are you sure? Butch? Okay. Whatever you say, Wally. Tunnel snakes rule.
Well,
Fine, let's go.
run a few
I was
more
done here
tests
anyway.
if you like.
This ain't over,
Yes, I
Daddy's
think I'd
girl.
like that.
I'm not finished with you either, twerp.
Oh, shouldn't be
God,
too
that's
long.
over.
I just need to get things set up for you. Just sit
This
tight
isn't
and
over,
I'll
Papa.
be with you as soon as I...
Thanks for getting rid of them. Assholes. I don't know why they won't leave me alone. Just because my father's the overseer, I guess? Idiots.
I can.
Well, you made it. All set for the goat? Trust me, it really isn't that bad. Just something everybody has to go through.
oh, I'm feeling kind of sick, Mr. B. Can I, guess I'll have to reschedule.
Didn't work on your dad either, did it? Now, unless you have something else you want to discuss, take a seat and prepare for the 2274 edition of the GOAT.
Come on, I don't have to take that stupid test, do I?
Listen, I like your dad. I might even like you if I wasn't your teacher. So here's what I'm going to do. If you want to skip the test, Just tell me how you want it to come out, and I'll take care of it for you.
Cool. Let's see the results and I'll pull it out myself.
Well,
Okay. So yeah, we'll do science, energy weapons, and I'm debating between medicine and repair. Let me check the. Yeah, I'll take medicine. Why not? Why not?
let's not keep the overseer waiting.
Sweet. Hehehehe.
I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early.
Anything is possible, even an egg. Mr. Promise.
Here to save you now. Is get back to work. Selfish and insolent.
I didn't even know I could do that. I'm gonna be completely honest with you.
I'm not going to be around to hold your hand forever.
Come on! You've got to wake up!
Oh, here it is. It's streaming about
Don't
you.
be a smart mouth! This is serious! My father's men are looking for you. They've already killed Jonas. You've got to get out of here!
Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Jonas is dead? What the hell's going on?
It's your dad. He's left the vault. My father thinks Jonas helped him escape. So he had his men. My God, they killed him. They just beat him and wouldn't stop.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about me. I'm just sorry you had to find out like this. I know Jonas was your friend. But we've got to go now. My father's men will be here any minute.
If that's all true, I'd you get here first.
Oh, so you don't trust me now? Thanks a lot. You think it was easy for me to get here with the rad roaches and security all over the place?
Yeah, I didn't realize that was like an accusatory thing. Sorry
I
about it.
understand. It must... Listen, it may not be any of my business, but didn't your dad tell you anything about his plans?
What?
Oh, I'm
No idea.
sorry. I'm sure he had his reasons. Maybe Jonas was supposed to explain everything to you? But it doesn't matter. I can help you escape. I have my own plan.
Another one of your plans, Amada.
I don't have time to explain everything. You're just gonna have to trust me this time. Listen, there's a secret tunnel that leads directly from my father's office to the exit. You'll have to hack the computer in his office to open it. Use these to get into his office. That's how I always get in.
Sounds like a good plan. Let's get out of here.
One more thing. I stole my father's pistol. I hope you won't need it, but you'd better take it just in case.
Thanks, Amada. I'll only use it as a last resort. I promise.
Okay, I'll try to meet you at the exit. Watch out for security. Good luck! I'll meet you at the vault door if I can, but don't wait for me. Good luck.
Second, let me see what we already got. Alright, boom. And then put you on. I'm gonna repair you with you. Okay, I guess I'm not allowed to take that. Take the... I'm gonna leave the teddy bear. Take the baseball bat, though. Empty dresser.
There he is. Hold it right there.
Criminy, more roaches! Get away! From me. Get off me!
Bonk.
Gotcha now. Too bad headwind this way. But orders are orders.
You gotta help me! My mom's trapped in there with the rat roaches!
Which asking me for help? If only you knew what irony meant.
Yeah, I'm asking you. So what? Look, I'm sorry for the way I've always treated you. You know I never meant any of it, right? But it's my mom. You can't leave her in there with the rat roaches.
What do you need my help anyway? Afraid of a few red roaches?
Yeah, so I hate rat roaches. So what? I tried to go back in to help her, I swear I did. But I just can't do it. So I'm begging you, please help her. I don't know what I'd do without my mom.
Damn. Here, take my BB gun. You don't need to be scared of the roaches now.
Wow, where'd you get that? Okay, maybe I can do this. All right.
Get them away from me!
Come on, I'll even help you. Yes.
Get them away from me!
Ooh. I did not mean to shoot her.
Ow! That hurts, you know.
We did it! My mom's gonna be okay! You're the best friend I've ever had, man! Hey, I know it isn't much, but I want you to have my Tunnel Snake's jacket. Go ahead, take it. You're the best, man. The best. Everything's gonna be okay now, thanks to you.
Take some vodka, why not? Jumpsuit, sure. What do the tunnel things give me? Oh. Okay. Accessible. Watch me. Yikes. Yeah, I'll just take that. So. Are you inaccessible? Yeah. Bonk. Bonk. Grandma Taylor, no. River toaster. Egg timer. Coffee mug. Yeah, got the hoarder penalty. Damn it.
What the hell has gotten into the overseer? Hold on, son. I just want to talk to you. Roach! Get away from me! I never saw you. Oh, you're lucky it was me who found you. The others won't be so forgiving. I don't know what you're up to, and I don't want to know. Just clear out of here, and I'll pretend I never saw you.
Thanks, Officer Gomez. I always liked you.
It's a real shame it's come to this. I can't believe what they did to Jonas. Officer Mack was just out of control. But you're a good kid. You didn't do anything to deserve this. Go find your dad if you can.
Ah, young sir. How very good to see you again. I do suppose.
You're the one everybody's looking for, right? Me and Andy were in a tight spot there, ain't no mistake. Good thing he loves toasting roaches so much. Hey, be more careful.
Yeah. Sure, damn it. Doctor's bag, I'll take you.
Just hold.
Smith impacts.
Your left stabilizer's been knocked loose.
I am holding still. It's your old pulsing hands that are shaking.
If you keep turning like that, I'm gonna crack your casing.
Don't blame me for your incompetence. I remember George used to have the lightest touch. Those were the days.
I've almost got it.
That is not the servo motor switch. To the left. Left, I said.
Try it now. I think I've got it this time.
Okay.
We should just go back to our quarters.
It's our only chance. Don't you see? We're getting out of here, just like the doctor. I'm not gonna let anyone stop us. It's me, Tom.
Tom wouldn't listen to me. You know. Tom!
No! Why would you run after him, you dumb bitch? Okay. Yes. Take. Damn.
This is your fault. You and your stupid father. He had to go and leave, didn't he? He had to mess things up for everybody.
Where do they keep coming from? Filthy little monsters. There's more over here. Blood! Ah! Ow! Ow! Take that, you little buggers! That takes care of that.
They're everywhere.
No!
Actually, I feel bad. Honk. Do I still have the debuff? No. Sweet.
I told you, I don't know anything!
Be reasonable, Amata. Officer Mack may enjoy this, but I don't. Just tell us where to find your friend so we can talk to him.
He's my friend. I was worried about him. What does he have to do with any of this
Hold it right there! If he let me beat up Amata, just imagine what he'll let me do to you.
I hope you're here to turn yourself in, young man. You're already in enough trouble as it is. Don't make it worse for yourself.
Just give me the keys to your office and your password. Then I'll just be going.
Oh, is that all? Is there anything else I can get you while you're here? You'll get nothing from me. I'll die before I see the safety of the vault compromised again.
I'll escape without your help then. I'm not the one who started killing people.
Save your sanctimony. The world is a dangerous place, and I make no apologies for doing whatever it takes to keep the vault safe. Guards, help me!
Yeah.
He's here! Don't let him get away!
Actually, nah. I'm gonna fuck out of that room.
Guards! Guards, help!
Real money, 10mm. Police baton, police baton. Go ahead and repair. Interesting. Are you the same? No.
Guards, help!
Excuse me? This motherfucker's taking too many coffee cups.
Thank you! I told you my father wasn't himself. I don't know what he might have done if you hadn't come along. You'd better get out of here. I'll try to meet you at the vault door. If I don't make it, good luck.
Let's see. Let me loot the fuck out of y'all's place.
I'm sure I heard something. Come out, you nasty little bug.
Ooh. Yeah, these do got
If
guns.
he just let us turn the lights on, this would be a lot.
Guns ain't for threatening, boys. Alright, let's see. Hacking. Shit, okay. Dud removed. Okay, let's take a shot in the dark. Ward. Wary. Okay. There's two that it could be. Let's see, are there any other? Yes. Dud removed. You gonna hook me up with any move refreshes? Any refreshes? Por favor? Por favor? Any refreshes? Just so I don't look like an idiot. I don't think there's any more. I don't think there's any more freebies. Damn it. Okay, Warn? There it is. Open Overseer Journal. Interesting. Okay. Oh, did I already get these? Hello. Oh, well, oh. Cha. All right. Oh, yeah, it's out here.
He's opening the vault door. Get the Overseer. We need this door open now.
Oh my god. You actually opened it. You did it! You opened the door! My god, I almost didn't believe it was possible.
I couldn't have done it without
No,
your
You
help.
didn't need me. If anyone can survive out there, it's you.
Why don't you come
It's
with me?
tempting, but my place is here. The vault needs me more than you do. I'm the only one who has a chance to talk some sense into my father. Listen, if you do catch up with your dad, tell him I'm sorry for you know, Jonas and my father and everything. Goodbye.
There he is.
Oh shit.
The Overseer won't tolerate this kind of behavior.
Ah. Fuck off.
I'm not going out there. I'm not going out there. I don't see what the Overseer said.
Yeah. Pussies.
I knew you'd turn up sooner or later. I'm not crazy enough to go out there. Close the door.
Nah, you get a radiated ass sign.
Gotcha now. Close
Anyway. Name, race, social, traits, excellent. No, I think we're good. Hardcore mode, Vegas Legend, blah 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 blah. This mode stimpaks heal over time and cannot mend broken limbs right away. Removes radiation over time. Ammunition has weight. Dehydration is a constant concern. Now. Oh my god. Let's bump our speech up by, yeah, that's good. We'll bump our barter up by 5. And let's get our, let's get our melee weapons up to 20. Why not? Looking for bachelor, daddy's boy, gun nut. Yeah, why not? Galaxy News Radio. Okay. Yeah, sure. I'll take some free frag grenades. You could go. One second. Okay. What was it doing again? Yeah, it's probably head over to the scrap heap.
Hey. Keep it on the level, and everything will be fine.
Okay.
Ah, fellow student on the path of the wasteland. Welcome to my humble caravan. Please relax, for we are in a place of safety. The type of safety that can only be ensured by an abundance of weaponry, both wicked and awesome, all of which can be yours for the right price.
Here to buy.
Please, enjoy my selection of high-quality problem solvers.
Actually,
Until we...
let me go ahead and, since these are permanent plus ones.
Here to shop?
Here to buy.
Please, enjoy my selection of high-quality problem solvers.
Okay, sell the BB gun. And I'll sell the lower damage 10mm. Good, sell you. Okay, so he doesn't have any energy weapons. But he does have 9mm, and 9mm would be really good actually for current setup since we are a bit weaker. How much 9mm ammo do you have though? That is the question. Six total. That's not really. It's not really worth it with how rare 9mm is gonna be. 32. 32. Yeah. Even less. Okay.
This applies to everyone. Life's worth living when nature's given. Happiness to everyone. So let's go sunning.
Yeah, screw them. No, that's a waste of caps.
Give me a shout if you need anything else.
You're personal.
Until
Well, I'll be damned. You're from that vault, Vault 101. I ain't seen one of those jumpsuits in a long time. Name's Lucas Sims, town sheriff, and mayor too, when the need arises. I don't know why, but I like you, boy. Something tells me you're all right. So welcome to Megaton. Just holler if you need something.
Nice town you got here, Sheriff. Pleasure to meet you.
Friendly and well-mannered. I think we're gonna get along just fine. You treat my people nice, and you're welcome to stay as long as you'd like. I'm glad we understand each other. Now, is there something I can help you with?
Father, middle-aged guy. Have you seen him?
Nope. Sorry. I got enough fires to put out in this place that I don't have time to keep tabs on every visitor. I'd ask around town.
Discuss the bomb.
What about it?
Town around the bomb. It's crazy.
It's not like the place was put up overnight. Megaton's been here for decades. Been growing and growing ever since. Started out as a small settlement of people trying to get into Vault 101. When they were denied, they stuck around here. Some of them started worshiping the thing like a god. Now we've got a whole goddamn church. They're nuts, no doubt, but mostly harmless. By now, most people don't give a shit. They figure if it ain't gone off by now, it never will. I respectfully disagree.
I can see about disarming that bomb for you.
Oh, all right. Fine. But listen here. Just take a look at it first. Go easy. If you get the job done, there'll be 100 caps in it for you.
100 caps. Alright, I'll take a look at it.
Great. Go ahead and see what you can do. Just be careful.
Know anything about the area outside of Megaton?
It's called the Wasteland for a reason. But there are settlements too, spread all around. The human race is stubborn like that. To the south, you've got Rivet City. But don't bother going to D.C. The place is a war zone.
I have to go now.
What is it?
Good to see you.
You looking to trade, stranger? Check out Craterside Supply.
Jericho.
Oh, it's explosives that I need.
Making a move, huh?
Hey, I hear you're that stray from the vault. Oh, I haven't seen one of you for years. Good to meet you. I'm Moira Brown. I run Craterside Supply. But what I really do is mostly tinkering and research. Say, I'm working on a book about the wasteland. It'd be great to have the foreword by a vault dweller. Help me out, would you?
Sure. Plenty to say about life in the vault.
Great. Just tell me what it's like to live underground all your life, or to come outside for the first time, or whatever strikes your fancy.
Dark, cramped, and the food sucked. Good riddance.
That's terrible. But it'll be great for a forward. So in that sense, it's great. I think you're gonna like it out here. And here's the armored suit, just to make sure you don't get recycled into something else's food. That'll be good for the book. In fact, want to help me with the research? I can pay you, and it'll be fun.
What's the book you're working on?
Well, it's a dangerous place out there in the wastes, right? People could really use a compilation of good advice, like a wasteland survival guide. For that, I need an assistant to test my theories. I wouldn't want anyone to get hurt because of a mistake. Nobody's ever happy when that happens. No, then they just yell a lot at me with mean words.
Okay, I guess I'll help with the survival guide.
All right then. Now I think the first chapter will have to be about surviving day-to-day dangers. Things like where it is and isn't safe to find food, the dangers of radiation, and how to avoid and even profit from dangerous landmines. Ooh, sounds like fun, doesn't it? Which do you want to do first?
Do the radiation.
Well, that's what I need your help for, isn't it? I know lots about it from books, but I never seem to get a live example. Not for long, anyway. So I need you to get a bit of radiation poisoning, so I can study its effects. Oh, not a deadly dose, of course. I can fix you up before that.
Okay, I'll get irradiated. Just be ready to fix me up when I get back.
Oh, you're a peach! Or at least some sort of hardy fruit that grows in the savagely irradiated mockery of agriculture we have nowadays. Now, 200 rads should be enough for basic sickness. But if you can get 600 or more rads, my test will be even more accurate. Just make sure you can get back here, and I'll see to it that you're well taken care of.
Let's usually have for sale.
Absolutely.
Okay. One more. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Oh god, 10mm pistol. Laser beams. Then you take energy cells, right? Yeah, E cells. do. Didn't even do one. Yes. Feel bad, he wants to play. What else do you have? Peril. Ranger Sadist. Mercury War. Storm Chaser hat. Chat, you're gonna have to excuse me. let's see. There you go. There you go. Damage guarding gnome.
Good hunting. Could be the guy I saw at Moriarty's saloon not too long ago. I'd ask there.
Okay.
Good luck.
Radiation time.
Huh?
Actually, oh god damn, why do I have -3 to everything? I thought it's only -1. Damn. Drink up. Okay, my radiation 200. Will I get more money if I get 600?
I say I'll move the mountains, and I'll move the mountains if he wants them out of the way. Crazy calls me.
Behold, he is coming with the clouds, and every eye shall be blind
Hey,
with his
come
glory.
here. I want to talk to
Every
you.
ear shall be stricken deaf to hear the thunder.
Ooh.
As he wants it,
Let
so
the men,
it will.
women,
Give me
and
any
children of
shit.
the earth
Tell
come
me
forth together and
Crazy
behold the power of
Are you working with the Raiders? Are you a scout?
Who told you that?
Crazy in
I hear things. I know a few people. What of it?
Then you best unhear it.
like the
I know
wind
all about you, old man.
that
I'd be careful
shakes
before I
the
went around
bough.
town spreading rumors about raiders. You dig?
Moves me
Yeah, we'll see.
with a
Now just watch
smile.
your fucking step around here, pal.
The
decision
difficult
that has occurred in the past,
I'm
and the
You have
ready.
yourself.
The impossible will take a little while. I say I'll care forever,
All right.
and I mean forever. If I have to hold up the sky, crazy calls me.
Oh, feeling a bit under the weather? Or a bit over the Geiger counter?
Radiated as I can. A burning hole in the floor.
I can tell you're positively glowing. Now, just hold on and try not to move. Tell me how it feels, and I'll get you fixed right up.
Too tired to be snide.
You're a lucky one, you know. At this level, most people don't make it. But then again, most people don't have my experimental tricks. Now, after taking a few notes, I'll take care of that nasty radiation with a bit of my own homemade concoction. I've never had the chance to test it out on someone so heavily dosed. Oh, but I'm sure it'll work out fine. Exciting, isn't it? Okay, a little Brahmin milk, a couple magnets, and maybe a few happy thoughts.
What?
Well, you're alive! Oh, that's the good news. But there was a little side effect. A teeny tiny, mutation. But it seems to be benign, at least. Here, take a few radiation chems as my little way of saying, I'm sorry I twisted your DNA like a kitten with a ball of yarn.
Regenerative work is suspect. You're suffering from radiation poison. Oh. Take a break from
Don't
research.
take too long.
Let's go now.
Remember, I'll...
Hey, I'm not looking for trouble or conversation either.
If you need to buy something, Moira up in Craterside Supply. Watch out, though. The people here get really paranoid when they see outsiders chatting to each other. Keep that in mind.
Maggie.
Come on, you piece of junk. Every day it's the same damn thing.
I told you, Gob, it ain't the radio. The Enclave station comes in fine. It's Galaxy News. Their signal's been shit lately.
Goddamn radio. Son of...
Who do we have here? My. Just when I had all but given up hope. My dear boy, I'm very happy to make your acquaintance. I am Mr. Burke. And you, well, you are not a resident of this putrescent cesspool, and makes you a rather valuable individual.
It does.
Don't you see? You're a free agent. You have no ties here, no interest in this settlement's affairs. Megaton means nothing to you. I represent certain interests who view this town, this Megaton, as a blight on a burgeoning urban landscape. If this settlement were to go away, why, who would really care? Certainly not you or I.
Wait, you're gonna destroy
No.
the town?
I'm merely a recruiter. You get to have the real fun. The undetonated atomic bomb for which this town is named is still very much alive. I have in my possession a fusion pulse charge. Once rigged to the bomb, it will be detonated by you at a secure location. Easy money, my friend.
Sims wants me to disarm the bomb.
Sims is an idiot. He prides himself on his position as mayor and sheriff of this scrapyard.
So I decided to help you. What's in it for me?
You mean, besides doing the world a favor by removing this pestilent scab of a town? Why, you'd be rewarded most handsomely. My employer is a very generous man. If it's bottle caps and luxury you're seeking, you shall have it.
Shit. Alright. You're in your mind, Bert. There's no way I'm helping you.
Now that is a disappointment.
Bitch. Work. Come on, work. Come on. Hey, Smoothskin. You need something?
Think about it, my good man.
You're not gonna hit me? Yell at me? Not even berate me a little bit?
Hadn't planned on it.
Well now, that's a surprise. I'm used to every asshole smooth skin in this town giving me shit just 'cause I look like a corpse. I'm glad to see that there are a few worthwhile people around here. Listen, Moriarty'd have my head if he caught me selling at a discount. But for you, I'll risk it.
What? Thanks, man. Where'd you come from?
A place called Underworld. It's a ghoul city down in D.C. I set off up here to find adventure and fortune. And, well, I found this place. I'm sort of stuck here. Colin says that I can't leave until I pay off my debt to him. Of course, he charges me room and board, too. If you ever get to Underworld, tell Carol that I said hi.
Underworld. Got it. That's all this about Galaxy News Radio.
Mr. Moriarty says we can keep it on. It's a good radio station. I like hearing the DJ, Three Dog, and how he's helping to fight the good fight. If only I was a part of that, instead of being stuck in this dive. Anything for you, friend.
Ooh, that's really fucking expensive, actually. We'll get a little bit of money back. Why not?
That should liquor you up for a while.
Don't
hit me.
How's it going?
Wish on the moon
Coming.
and look for the gold in a rainbow, and you'll find happy times. You'll hear a tune
5?
that lives
Yeah.
in the heart of a bluebird.
Divide each pocket and give relief to this rock. Cast the fragile form of this ephemeral body into new life, the forge of your
Oh,
glory.
Mother Maya.
Adam,
Hello, my child.
bestow your presence on your unworthy
Sheriff Sims.
the day of division
Howdy.
until the dawn of your return.
You looking for the mayor or the sheriff?
I'll be a sheriff. That's what I'm about to tell you.
Till the day of division until the dawn of your
Staying out of trouble, I hope. Don't. He said what? Oh, I never did.
You should do something.
Good point.
return to this humble world. Please stay true. We need more until the day of division, until the dawn of your will suddenly hear chimes, and you'll have your happy
Can I help you?
You there, Burke. Explain your business in Megaton.
I'm sorry. Sheriff,
good to see you.
What are you hollering about?
You know damn well what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'll throw it on.
You're trying to blow it up. Have you lost your goddamn mind?
I think I'm gonna knock off.
Sheriff.
I know you won't mind.
I'm afraid there's been a...
Actually, no, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him.
Someone is sure to spread it. I'll be sure to address the situation.
To enjoy your work.
Personally.
Thanks a lot.
I'm placing you under arrest,
count
Burke.
on you for
At least
sympathy.
until I figure out what the hell's going on
Why you
around
love
here.
me, Nova dear?
And I'm afraid I won't be able to oblige your request, Sheriff. I have pressing matters to attend to. Now, step aside.
This isn't open to discussion. You're coming with me.
Why do you knuckle-draggers always insist on doing things the hard way? Very well, Sheriff. Lead the way.
A traveler, eh?
Oh no. Oh. Okay. Let's get a small round of applause. We got our first first crash of the series. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Let's try and get that booted back up. Oh, jeez. Okay, well, on the bright side, it probably auto saved whenever we went into the saloon with Sims. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, I hope that it auto-synced.
I'm sorry.
Hey there, Bill.
Sheriff,
Hi.
what are you hollering about?
You know
Hey,
damn
Carl.
well what I'm talking about. The bomb. You're trying to blow it up.
I'm tired.
Have you lost your
I think I'm
goddamn
gonna knock
mind?
off early. I know.
Sheriff.
Uh-oh. Nope. Okay.
I'm afraid there's been a
Probably put you on this earth to test me.
misunderstanding.
Good Lord, save me from the
Someone
whining
sure
dying
to
whore who
spread
does
it.
complain it.
I'll be
Thanks a
sure
lot.
to address the
I
situation.
can always count on you for
Personally.
sympathy and respect.
I'm placing you under
Oh,
arrest,
no one
Burke.
loves you more.
At least until I figure out what
Don't
the
you ever
hell's
think any
going on
differently.
around here.
Now quit yammering and get back to doing what you
I'm
do.
afraid I won't be able to oblige your request, Sheriff. I have pressing matters to attend to. Now, step aside.
This isn't open to discussion. You're coming with me.
Why do you knuckle-draggers always insist on doing things the hard way? Very well, Sheriff. Lead the way.
I do not care.
I'm sure you.
Cut it out, will you?
I know. I'll get him up.
Pity.
But it's so hard to get out of the floor.
Did you kill him?
When folks who still can ride in jitneys find out Vanderbilts and Whitneys lack baby.
Where's the cowboy? Where's the cowboy?
When Sam Goldwyn can with great conviction instruct Anna Stan in diction, then Anna shows anything goes. When you hear that Lady Mendel standing up, now does a handspring landing up on her toes. Anything goes. Just think of those shots.
I must be getting slow in my old age. Thanks for saving my hide there. Good luck.
Yeah, I know.
You want something, or you just looking to get your ass beat?
No, I'm looking to kick your ass.
Moriarty. Always pleased to see a new face. But I'm afraid you've had the misfortune to catch me, well, out of me element. I'm the owner and proprietor of Moriarty's, you see. The saloon. But please, see for yourself.
I'm looking for my father, a middle-aged guy, lab coat. Have you seen him?
My God, it's you. The little baby boy all grown up. Persistent little bastard, ain't ya? Then and now, it would seem. It's been a long time, kid. Oh, your daddy passed through here all right. Here and gone. Got what he came for and then left. I'm assuming you'll do the same, correct?
Who else was sealed? Your father and I were born in the vault.
Is that what your father told you? That you were born in that hole? That he was born there as well? Oh, the lies we tell to those we love. Your father brought you to the vault right after you were born. To keep you safe, you see. I remember it well. You stayed in my saloon after all. That's right. Your father, his Brotherhood of Steel friend, and you, the suckling babe with nary a tit to suckle. Sorry about your mom, truly. But life goes on. Daddy lied. Life's full of little disappointments. And now you're all grown up and wondering where he's gone to.
My dad told me we were born in Vault 101.
Ah, I see. You know, I heard about the brainwashing that goes on down there. From some other fella, escaped. Oh, 5 years back. All hail the overseer. We're born in the vault, we die in the vault, and all that other assorted lunacy. Kid, you've got better programming than our own Deputy Weld. You'd best wise up quick. Wouldn't want anyone taking advantage of you, hmm?
Look, I just want to find my dad. Do you know where he is?
You seem like a nice kid, so I'm going to be straight with you. Your dad was here, and now he's not. And yes, I know where he went. But what you're asking me for is information, and information is a commodity. Let's say 100 cops, and Daddy's location is yours. Very reasonable.
I don't have 100 caps.
All right, kid. Let me help you out. You know, for all time's sake. If you don't have the cops to pay for the information, then maybe you could do a little favor for me. Who said anything about dirty work? You need some caps, and I'm giving you a way to get them. It's just business. This junkie bitch named Silver borrowed quite a few caps from me. Claimed she could start funneling Jet and Psycho to me for a good price. Problem is, she scrammed with the loot and set herself up in Springvale so she can inject herself into a stupor. Get the caps she owes me, and they're yours. Yours to pay me with, anyway.
I have to go now.
You want something? What's up, Jericho?
Get the fuck out of my face. Oh, look. Another one of your pampered vault assholes. Look here, vault asshole. I don't like you. Stay clear of me and we'll have no trouble.
You don't look like you belong here. What's your story?
There ain't much to tell. I used to live out in the wastes. I was a real bastard back then. But I've put all that behind me.
Are you considering getting back out there?
What?
Back in the wastes. You must be bored of the tears
I
and
left all
down.
that behind me. There's nothing but bullshit out there. Killing, stealing, violence. I'm not that guy anymore.
You're right. It sounds terrible.
Yeah, you're right. Stupid idea anyway. Are we finished?
Good to see you.
Hi there. I'm Nova. New to Megaton, huh? Do yourself a favor and keep walking. Some of us stay for a few days, and then it's 5 years later.
We're with the ghoul.
Who, Gob? Well, if you can get past how he looks, he's a sweetheart. Colin's awfully hard on him, though.
Do you ever, you know, work with him?
With Gob? Well, he's sweet, and I know that he'd like to. It's just, well, I don't want to sound shallow or anything. I mean, I'm a whore. My standards aren't exactly high. But there are places even I won't go. Johnnies that are squishier than me are one of them.
What about something else?
Sure thing, baby.
Okay. Good to go now.
I don't recognize you. New in town or something?
Sure am. Stepped in to find something to
I
do.
hope by something to do you mean a job. Otherwise, you want to talk with Nova. I'm looking for someone to make a delivery. Interested?
Some more details.
Hey, you're pretty smart for a wastelander. I need you to deliver a message to my family. They live in a small settlement northwest of here. If you bring it, I'm sure my dad will pay you. I'll tell you more if you agree. Please, I could really use your help.
Sure.
Great. As soon as you get there, talk to Davis West. He'll be glad to pay you for the trip.
Hey,
You go now.
yeah, you need something?
Springville. Okay.
Who the hell are you? Where'd you come from? Did Moriarty send you?
Just hand over the. Yes, he says you owe him some caps.
That bastard. He's a liar. He just wants me dead. Those caps are all mine. I earned them.
Damn. Slow down to me your side
Look,
story.
I used to work for that slob, doing, you know, favors for guys. Well, I got sick and tired of it. I told Moriarty I'm taking my share of the caps and leaving. I even slept with the pig to seal the deal. Next morning he tells me I couldn't leave. So I bolted. I took my money and ran. Now he's branded me a thief and a junkie and sent his cronies to find me. I guess I need a new hiding place.
Well, just give me some of the caps. I'll tell him you're gone.
You do that for me? I never expected anyone to care enough. Here you go. Thanks, kid. You're all right.
Damn.
Crazy calls me. Sure, I'm crazy. Crazy in love, you see. Like the wind that shakes the bough, he moves me with a smile. The difficult I'll do right now, the impossible will take a little while. I say I'll care forever, and I mean forever. If I have to hold up the sky, crazy he calls me. Sure, I'm crazy, crazy in love. Am I?
Hey.
Like
Yeah? What is it?
So, do you still offer your service?
No. Sorry. I've left that part of my life behind.
Yeah, fair enough. What do you do now?
Who knows? Shoot myself up till I forget who I am? The wasteland sucks, kid. Just get used to it. Whatever.
Okay.
forever, and I mean forever. If I have to hold up the sky, crazy he calls me. Sure, I'm crazy, crazy.
Forgot the trash cans have little bit of loots. Sometimes the trash cans have a little bit of loots. It's not looking good for me. Forward. Back to Megaton. Oh yeah. New guy, Doc Hoff.
Ah, welcome, weary traveler. You look like a traveler in need of relaxation and the finest of chemical assistance.
Vector.
Well, wander no more, my good friend, for I am Doc Hoff, procurer of the finest of medical goods and chemical assistance. Now, how may I help you?
Second. Yeah. I'm here to buy.
Tell
What do
me
you have?
what you need, and maybe I've got your fix.
Konnichiwa. How far? Not too far. I've only just gotten to Megaton. Lad's Life. Patriots Cookbook might not be a bad grab. Yeah, I can only do that. I can sell a carton of cigarettes. I've covered most of it. Actually, yeah, let's do all 12 of these, then be 52. I've been streaming Fallout for 2 hours. Yeah. Well, almost 2.5 now. I'm like 5 minutes away from there. Oh, hold on. Let me snag back one of those. Stop. I hate that I keep having to let a minute out. Here, hold on. For perfect. Okay. Just... yeah.
Give me a shout if you need anything else.
To go now.
See you next time you need that special.
Sure thing, boss. Alright, what is my weight at? It's not great.
Please, help me.
Okay, I need to... Ugh. Actually, I'll head to the school. Yeah, I'll head to the school. They'll probably have a lot of junk for me to grab. I hate that noise. No worries. Where you at? Okay, well. Just. Come here. There we go. No, what was wrong with it?
Then what will I do? Maybe
Actually, yeah, two. I can't get the ribs, whatever. That's 4.
Good to see you.
Yeah, it's weird. It's finicky. I don't really fully understand it either. I usually don't have issues unless I have it like tucked away to the side for too long. But I don't know, everyone's app is different. There you are, bitch.
Each morning, a missionary of the type neon sign. He tells the native population that civilization is fine.
Damn it. Civilization is the thing for me to say. So bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo. Oh, no, 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 no. Bingo, bango, bongo, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go. No, I'll stay right here.
through a magazine the missionary's wife could see.
What happened? You people who are civilized, fun you automobiles. Get that way, John?
At the movies they have got to pay many coconuts to see.
What do they say, Daddy? To me. Oh, bongo, 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 I wanna leave the Congo. No, 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 no. Right here in the jungle, we refuse to go.
Don't want no penthouse, bathtub, streetcars, taxis, noise in my ear.
I'll stay right here. God damn. Cumberland Express. Where are you at? Here you go, man. Unarmed and survival. Repair. Oh, yeah, I forgot to click here. Okay, so 63. I think I needed it to be 70 something for my where's those 75 pounds. Okay, so I need just a little bit more. Oh, a cellar. Where's the key? Where? I mean, park stroller outfit. Interesting. You require a key, but where would I even find you? find the key, Robert? Where would I find the key? Shit, at this point, I'm gonna start picking up cans. I heard you. Okay, what are we at? 70? 5 more. Oh, yeah. Oh, locked cabinet, nice. Whee! Sure. Sure. Okay. That's Silver's house. Okay. Springvale Elementary School. If I am not mistaken, I believe that there are raiders inside. Hopping. APNC. Well, I knew that there were raiders in here. I didn't remember that they were these kind of raiders. Fuck it. See how far we can get.
Anything goes when Rockefeller still can afford enough money to let Matt Gordon produce his show. Anything goes. The world has gone mad today, and good bad today, and black white today, and day's night today, and that gent today you gave a cent today once had several chateaux. When folks
I'll take that.
in jitneys, find out Vanderbilts and Whitney's lack baby clothes. Anything goes. When Sam Goldwyn can, with great conviction, instruct Aniston in diction.
Classic. So it's more okay, I'm just gonna ignore the dog for now. They have you basically build your character So you choose skills and different traits and stuff, and yeah, so I am gonna be running it's kind of like a science, like energy weapons build, but with that, with that, it's gonna be a lot of like pistol stuff early on until I get my my energy weapons.
I'm as corny as Kansas in August. I'm as normal as blueberry pie. No more a smart little girl with no heart. I have found me a wonderful guy. I am in a conventional dither with a conventional star in my eye. And you will note there's a lump in my throat when I speak of that wonderful guy.
Hell yeah. Yes, yes.
I'm romantic and bright as a moon, happy night, pouring light on the dew. I'm as corny as Kansas in August, high as a flag on the 4th of July. If you'll excuse an expression I use, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love.
Okay, cut the shit. Who is that?
With a wonderful guy.
Scared, just like a little bitch.
Girl with no heart, I have found me a wonderful
Oh god. I don't like that she started. I don't. I don't like that she only caught attention.
Who's out there? Okay, cut the shit. Who is that?
Okay, I think she's definitely upstairs, so I shouldn't be too worried about it.
Scared, just like a little bitch.
She's just tweaking. By the 9, she's tweaking.
Stand down, boys.
This okay. He wants you, bro. Nah, for real. Unfortunately, not really in the, not necessarily like the sexy stab you way, more so in the I'm gonna eat you while you're still alive kind of, sexy stabby way. So, not exactly. See, as much as I want to agree, I feel like I have to be in. Oh shit. Anyway. Chinese pistol. Okay, why not? Just all this shit. Boxing tape, I'll take it. Carton of cigarettes, don't mind if I do. Okay. This is, I don't want to ruin anything, but I'm not gonna run when I say this. This is running. I didn't like that. Oh. Okay. Was that already in here? Yeah, I really don't like how quiet it got. Okay, yeah, for some reason See, okay, whenever I said it's running pretty good, I was more so meaning the, okay, there we go. I was more so meaning the run of the school. Like going through the school was going smoother than I was expecting it to. But yeah, the issue was the no. Funnily enough, after over 2.5 hours, we've only had one crash. Oh, kept. Guess we make our way upstairs. That is downstairs, but I guess we'll check it out. There we go. Oh fuck. Yeah. What you gonna do now? Is today your 4.5 hour stream goal or nothing? No, today is the yeah, today is the I'm aiming for as much as I was wanting it to be my 4.5 hour, 5 hour stream goal, it's probably not the smartest idea, unfortunately. Perhaps, yeah, this late night, nah. Truthfully, it is my fault. I did procrastinate the fuck out of this stream. I got everything set up and I was like, okay, I'm gonna start it after my shower. Then I got out of the shower and I was like, okay, after I hit the bowl. And then I was like, okay, after I go and get some lunch, or not lunch, dinner. Yeah, I just kept procrastinating it. Ooh. Go ahead. Oh. Down for you. Oh, you're two different ones. Okay. Nail board. Yeah, I don't really need to do that much. Flexing tape. That'll be good for later. Yeah, I can sell you. You used 9mm ammo? Oh shit, wait, you're a modified weapon. Ooh. Yeah, wrong, my guys, named Butcher Pete. Old Pete just blew into this town and he's chopping up all the women's meat. But Pete's got a long, sharp knife. He starts chopping, don't know when to stop. Any of you fellas better watch your wives, 'cause Pete don't care who the meat he chops.
Ever since Pete flew into town, he's been having a ball. Just cutting and chopping for miles around. Single women, married women, old maids and all. Oh, Pete! He loves that meat. Wakes up in the morning, half past 5. Chop from sunrise to sunset. I don't see how he stays alive. Meat's gonna be the death of old Pete yet.
So I see I have chosen a very wrong time to trust the game. Let's see if I can salvage it. Ooh. Okay. Well, I did make it out. Let's give Mr. Boxing Tape a little surprise. Wow. There it is. There it is.
For the gold in a rainbow, and you'll find happy cause.
You're somewhere, I think.
That lives
Actually,
in the heart of a bluebird, and you'll find happy cause. Though things may look very dark, your dream is not in vain.
There you are.
For when do you find the rainbow? Only after rain. So wish on the moon, and someday it may be tomorrow.
Twitch.
You will suddenly hear chimes, and you'll have your happy, happy time.
Oh yes, yeah, I just drop down and I can't spin the globe. Nope. Okay. First try. Let me just.
And someday it may be tomorrow. You will suddenly hear chimes. And you'll have your happy, happy time.
In fact, I'm gonna only tuck away as much as I need. Yeah, perfect.
Bob Crosby with Happy Times.
Sure.
GNR, 3 Dog. All you need to know. We interrupt our regularly scheduled program for some news.
Here's a question for all you faithful listeners. Have you guys and gals ever seen a tree?
No, not those shriveled black things. I'm talking real trees. Brown bark, green leaves, photosynthesis, all that good stuff.
Here's drop the stuff off.
Now what if I, the all-powerful Three Dog,
Wow, wow, wow.
right here in the capital wasteland, there's a place with lots of trees. A veritable oasis of green in that depressing sea of brown. Look, it was years ago, and I may have been experimenting with jet at the time. But I'm telling you, it's out there. Thanks for listening, children. This is Three Dog. Ow! And you're listening to Galaxy News Radio. We're Radio Free Wasteland, and we're here for you. And now a super important public service announcement. For all you guys and gals tempted by the thought of scabbing in the downtown DC ruins, here's a tip. You see, the Frankensteins might violently and horrifically rip you to shreds.
Okay. Moira.
Oh, hey! Kinda busy here, but I
Don't care if you're busy.
Oh, I couldn't do that. It'd be a real blow to those nice folks
Hey,
in
we
the church.
can hear you.
Besides, it's not like that bomb ever hurt anyone. Live and let live, right?
No, bitch, that is a active nuclear bomb. Why do you want to just leave that active? Miku likes the Newports. Hell yeah, finally.
Sure.
When they landed on Plymouth Rock,
Okay, this urinal cans, duct tape, soda, bottles, you. I'm gonna keep you just in case. Yeah, it's on our world that we have.
anything goes. If driving fast cars you like, if low bars you like, if old hymns you like, if bare limbs you like, if Mae West you like, or me undressed you like, why nobody will oppose. When every night the set and smart is intruding and nudist parties in studio.
Buy me even?
When Mrs. Ed McLean, God bless her, can get Russian red to yes, then I suppose
Wow.
anything goes. When Rockefeller still can order enough money to let Max Gordon produce his show.
Alright.
Anything goes. The world has gone mad today, and good bad today.
Rifle.
Black, white today, and day's night today, and that gent today you gave us
Microfusions? Oh, I forgot that you're an entirely different gamma type. How much do you even have microfusion cells?
Anything goes. When Sam Goldwyn can with great conviction instruct Anna stand in diction, then Anna shows. Anything goes. When you hear that lady mental standing up, now does a handspring landing up on her toes.
A bad amount.
Anything
Okay, let's
just think of those shots you got, and those knocks you got, and those
go
bruises you got,
you,
from those views you got, and those pains you got,
go
and any
you,
from those little radios.
and I'm more than likely going to be using the police baton mod in the baseball bat, so also you as well.
From Simmons, 'cause Franklin knows anything goes.
Did I have any pre-war? dumb. Yeah. Ammo, let's snag.
Each morning, a missionary advertised with neon sign. He tells the native population that civilization is dying.
59 is gonna be 500 caps. God damn.
That civilization is a thing for me to see.
20.
So bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo. Oh, no, 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 no. Bingo, bango, bungle, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go. Don't want no bright lights, false teeth, doorbells, landlords, I make it clear.
Yeah.
That no matter how they coax him,
I'll stay right here. I look through a magazine the missionary's wife concealed.
Magazine?
I see how people who are civilized bung you with automobiles.
You know you can get hurt that way, Daniel?
At the movies they have got to pay many coconuts to see.
What do they see, Donnie?
Uncivilized
Sell the liquid nitrogen. Sell the 32. You know what? Let's go ahead and sell like.
Don't want no penthouse, bathtub, streetcars, taxis, noise in my ear.
So no matter how they coax him,
I'll stay
Still
right
100 of the 10mm ammo. Because I do want to invest in more 9mm.
The Tringalingo Hula Humble Express.
I know it's smoking around, rather they're too civilized to complain.
When they've got 2 weeks vacation, they hurry to vacation ground.
What do they do, Donnie?
They swim and they fish, but that's what I do all year round.
so bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo. Oh, no, 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 no. Bingo, bango, bongo, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go.
Don't want no jailhouse,
Shotgun,
fish hooks,
golf club,
I got my spears.
so no matter how they coax him,
I'll stay right here.
It's smarter to walk around with. It's smarter to have some
they
walking
have things
change.
like the autumn bomb.
So I think I'll stay where I am.
Civilization. I'll
So
stay
I
right
wind closed my door
Good
and scared me.
Come back soon.
Alright. Oh.
Well, I'm a mighty, mighty man. I'm young and I'm in my prime.
You know what? Fuck Moriarty.
I'm a mighty, mighty man. I'm young and I'm in my prime. Well, I don't pick my jobs. I'm ready for
Cars
any
hitting
old
every
time.
outcome
Yes,
giving
I'm a
her.
real young man.
So should I give
Brand new
her the
25.
store tendon fit or the
I'm a real
millennial?
young man, a brand new 25.
I'm terrified to think on what the millennial is, so give her the store attendant fit.
Well,
something
I'm
from me,
6
spill it.
feet tall.
What's up,
I ain't
bastard?
What's it to be? A few wasteland. You took. How about you just hand over a? It's called economics, kid. I told you the favor would earn you some caps if you really took care of it. Now fork 'em over.
Forget it, I'll come back.
I'll. Good. Huh?
Whatever. Don't need you.
What's it to be?
Yeah, I might actually have to talk to him.
3 Dog, the king of that loony bin, keeps yapping about fighting some good fight or something. A bunch of crap. But I suppose if you wanted to know what was going on in the wasteland, that's the place to go. Me, I could care less. Little bit of caps for so much information. Think about it.
Man, I'm young and I'm in my prime. Yeah,
Whatever.
mighty man, I'm young and I'm in my prime.
See,
Well, when you want me hollering, I'll be
I'd
there
ignore
on
it.
time. Well, when there's what to do.
I really appreciate you.
Oh yeah, I already said that I'd do it.
For the mighty one.
Hey, God.
Good to see you again. Oh, yeah. I do remember a guy like that. Honestly, I usually keep my head down. I tend to get smacked around if I look customers in the eyes. But Dr. Moriarty...
Gonna charge you for the info.
That's his way. Always putting caps before people's lives. I wish someone would stand up to him one day. Oh my, I shouldn't be saying all of this. I'm sorry, I really must get back to work. I can't get involved. I'm so sorry. I can't talk about that anymore.
Damn. Goodbye,
See
God.
you soon.
Nova.
What is it, hun?
Nova, I'm looking for my dad.
Yeah, I remember that man. I saw him talking to Moriarty. It's hard to forget handsome men like that.
Talk to Moriarty already. He's trying to charge you for the info.
Yeah, that's Colin's style, all right. He sells information so much, you'd think the bar was just a hobby. Take.
Okay. Oh. Yes. Pile of ash.
A flame in your heart.
Hey there. Glad you're back.
Hey.
In my heart, I have but one
Go ahead and
desire,
let's check you out.
and that one is you. No other will do. I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just
A little bit of a sway, but you know what? It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, so we needed. What was it? It was a 25 explosives for the bomb, I think.
Set the world on fire.
Yes, 25 or higher. So do I have anything that just... I know I have the magazine, but I want to see if I have anything.
I don't want to set the world on fire, honey.
Okay.
I love you.
No.
I just want to start
Explosives.
a great big flame.
For now, I should have like a 30 something. Yeah.
Way down inside of me.
Attempt to disarm the
Now that I
bomb.
have only one
Gimme!
desire, and that one desire is you. And I know nobody.
Hey, boss.
I'll be damned. You did it, didn't you? You disarmed that thing. Here's your reward. Hell, why don't you move in? Could use someone like you. Got an empty place here you can use. Here's the key indeed. It ain't much to look at, but talk with Moira. She's got random odds and ends you might be able to spruce the place up with.
Understood. Go now. Alright. 9 points. Let's...
I just want to start a flame in your heart.
How do we want to do this? You know what? Nah, let's just go ahead and bump up lockpick to 30 so we can get easy. Oh, perk. Let's go with
of me when you are all alone. Maybe the one who is waiting for you.
Yeah, let's go lead together. Why not?
Sheriff Sims.
Then what will
What's happening?
you
I present to your will this frail body, Sheriff Sims. I beg of you,
Good to see you.
use me as your
Hi.
vessel. Guide me to your brilliance.
I would
What's up? And give relief
Can't
to
say
this
that there's
one.
much going on.
Cast the fragile thorn
Maybe
of this ephemeral body
you
into
last
new life in the forge of your glow.
Now, I know I've never seen you in Megaton before. Well, let me guess. Just passing through, right? We get people trying to settle down here all the time. Anyway, if you're hungry, you came to the right place. What can I get you?
What's on the menu?
Here, take a look.
beg of me when you are all alone.
Yeah.
Maybe the one who is waiting for you
Just forget the inside of this place.
will prove untrue.
Is there anybody in here?
Then what will I do?
Hmm? Oh, I'm afraid I'm quite busy right now. If it's food you're after, talk to Jenny or Leo. Otherwise, I can't help you.
Sorry to interrupt, Danny. I just had a few questions.
I suppose. Just make it quick. What?
Ask me to come back again. And maybe
Well,
I'll say
I suppose since it's pretty much completely empty back here. That's a hard register, damn it. Ski Falk. Okay. He's super busy, right? Bye. Yep. Okay.
Can I help you?
Porky. What they got right here? Empty, empty, empty. God, I ain't got shit in this house. God damn, y'all really don't have anything in this house. Yeah. Okay.
All of us here thank you for everything you've done. For us, for the Wastes. We pulled together and got you this. It's the best we could do. Please take it, with our thanks.
An entire town pulled together 19 caps. Not 20. 19. Okay. Certainly, thank you.
What's up?
Yeah, Yo.
Ah, look at this! New blood! Tell me, boy, you ever hear of the Enclave? The last remnant of the good old USA they are. Now, I don't know you from Adam, but I got you pegged for a patriot, and any patriot worth his salt is gonna toss his gun in for the Enclave. Any day now, they're gonna roll up here, and then this nightmare will be over for good. But listen to me, Ramble. I'm Nathan. What can I do for you? Why? Why? Look around you. This is the good old USA. Sure, she looks a little bit different these days, but you're still on American soil.
Like
And
you
even
have
if you were
teeth
born
around
in
your
some
neck.
underground vault, you were born under the United States, which makes you an American. And it's your duty and my duty to support our country and our president, no matter what. Understand?
Brainwashing. You're right. My country deserves my unthinking, unquestioning support.
Now there's a proud patriot. After all, if they could do us wrong, we wouldn't have elected them in the first place, right? Yes, sir. Trust in the judgment of other people to know what's best for me. It's the American way. I couldn't tell you, really. I talked to Manya if you care that much. She's lived in Megaton longer than anyone. Take care.
I looked through a magazine the missionaries wife
Anyway.
concealed.
Magazine, what happens?
I see how people who are civilized bung you with automobiles.
You know you can get hurt that way, Daniel?
At the movies they have got to pay many coconuts to see.
What do they see, Donnie?
Uncivilized pictures that the newsreel takes of me.
So,
Could I steal it from the mayor?
he don't wanna leave the Congo, no, 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 no. Bingo, bango, bungo, he's so happy in the jungle, he refused to go.
Don't
Okay.
want no penthouse, bathtub, streetcars, taxis, noise in my ear.
So no matter how they coax him,
I'll stay right here.
they hurry like savages to get aboard an iron train.
The Tringalingo Hula Humble Express.
And though it's smoky and it's crowded, they're too civilized to complain.
When they've got 2 weeks vacation, they hurry to vacation ground.
What do they do, Donnie?
They swim and they fish, but that's what I do all year round.
So, bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo, no, 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 no.
32 rifle.
Bingo, bango, bongo, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go.
Don't want no jailhouse,
Shotgun,
fish hooks.
golf club,
I got my spears.
so no matter how they coax him,
I'll stay right here.
You know, I carry 25 pounds more gear. Hell yeah.
So I think I'll stay where I am.
civilization, I'll stay right here.
Into each
like some rain must fall, but too much is falling in mine.
Aww. Well, second crash of the series. You know, we've been running for 3 or so hours, and I think that's a good place to call it. Thank you all so much for joining, even those of you showing up more recent. I'm blanking on my outro. Wherever you are out there in the wide world, morning, afternoon, evening, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make the most of your day. So long, farewell, bye bye.